y a 3 pieds de neige, comme
Donc,
jusqu'à ici.
off, intern, auto pour faire le reset.
OK.
S'il y a un problème, c'est la première chose que vous allez voir, c'est quoi le problème. Si, par exemple, c'est une erreur tout le temps
Si je
pour
veux
faire le
arrêter,
reset,
je
vous allez
fais
hit
quoi?
off
Il doit
interval.
être ouvert.
OK. Ça dure
Il doit être
une
toujours
minute.
ouvert. S'il y a beaucoup de... Il va fonctionner chaque 2 semaines.
Super.
Votre expérience avec Prestige Electrique?
Oh mon Dieu, ça a été très, très facile pour eux, et pour nous un peu plus compliqué parce qu'on est plus nerveux. Mais ça a très, très bien été. Merci encore. On espère de ne pas s'en servir. C'est tout.
So we have another Generac generator installation today. It's a smaller unit compared to the one you have seen before. It's a 10 kilowatt air-cooled unit. The exterior enclosure are all the same, from 10 to 26 kilowatt. They are all the same, but the inside of the generator is different. So the engine is a one-cylinder engine, a smaller rotor stator. It works with natural gas and air-cooled. Today, at this house we have natural gas, so we did put the natural gas. It's already connected. Our gas technicians were here early morning. They prepared the pipes. When we were here, it was ready for us, and to just leave the generator, and they did gas connection at the back. And so this generator provides 10 kilowatt, 45 amp maximum. We don't want to go use the maximum capacity all the time. Usually consider 80% of this capacity. As you can see, the wires are passed on the wall, as it was discussed with the customer before in the first visit, that this is how we are going to pass the wires. It goes all the way here and then goes in the house. The transfer switch is a smaller transfer switch, 100 amp. It has its own, at the top part is the transfer switch. At the bottom part, we're going to put the breakers. I have seen that other electricians are using a separate transfer switch, a separate panel. It's going to take 2 boxes. It doesn't look that nice. We would rather go with this model that sometimes comes with the generator, sometimes doesn't. We place the order so that we have the breakers and the transfer switch in the same box. It's nicer, and it takes less space. We don't have too much room. As you can see here, there is not always too much room to put 2 panels, and it's much faster too for the installation. So what we did morning time, we did label the circuits that the homeowner wants to put on the generator during the power failure, and we transferred them to this panel. So when there is a power failure, the generator is going to start and give the power to whatever circuit is here, which is, let's say, lights, fridge, freezer, sump pump. And in this case, we have a natural gas furnace. It's on this panel too. So yeah, we have transferred all of those circuits, and we are doing the connections now. And then we are going to connect the wires for the generator, and we are going to be able to do the test in about 2 hours. Checking if there is any short between the lines. The breakers are off, so I can check the wires. If there is anything wrong, we can check it out now before connecting the power. Everything looks good. Now we will give the power to the house first, and then everything is off. That's why I don't have gloves. When we connect the power, we're going to put the gloves on to make sure you're safe. So we will connect the power, check the voltage, then we're going to start the generator. Before giving the power to the house, we check the voltage that comes from the generator, then we put the load on it. Again, we will check the voltage and frequency to make sure that the power that goes to the house is 120, 240 volts, 60 hertz. And then we check with the customer if everything is working in the house, and we're good to go. I forgot, we're going to do the Wi-Fi connection too, and install the app on the customer's phone. Vous êtes correct s'il y a votre vidéo? Ok, c'est sur notre site web. Mais
Pas moi, par exemple.
j'ai besoin de mot de passe
Le mot de passe.
non, pour Wi-Fi.
Ah.
Ici, donc il est connecté à votre. Donc, déjà connecté, mais vous allez voir dans quelques minutes. Il y a toujours un délai ici. Ok, maintenant c'est vert, il est déjà connecté, prêt à fonctionner. On attend. On peut faire log out, log in. Avec un délai, vous allez voir ici ready to run, parce que ici c'est vert, ready to run, il n'y a pas de problème.
Mais le délai, ça va prendre combien de temps?
Quelques minutes.
Ah, ok.
Oui. Donc, vous allez voir, bon, Wi-Fi, c'est déjà connecté. Maintenant, c'est 3h53, donc time, ça serait correct. Combien d'heures il avait fonctionné? 0. Température, voltage de batterie. S'il y a une notification, on peut ajouter notre nom ici comme preferred dealer. Ça serait plus facile.